Are you looking to upgrade your professional wardrobe but don't know where to start? Look no further. In this video, I'm going to share 10 fashion tips to help you create a polished and professional look. 1. Invest in quality pieces. Quality pieces will last longer and look better. Invest in timeless pieces that you can wear for years to come. 2. Stick to neutral colors. Neutral colors like black, white, navy, and gray are classic and professional. They are also easy to mix and match. 3. Choose the right fit. Make sure your clothes fit you properly. Clothes that are too tight or too loose will make you look sloppy. 4. Accessorize. Accessories can add a touch of personality to your look. Try adding a scarf, a statement necklace, or a pair of earrings. 5. Invest in a good pair of shoes. Shoes can make or break an outfit. Invest in a good pair of shoes that are comfortable and stylish. 6. Layer your clothing. Layering your clothing can add texture and depth to your look. Try adding a blazer or a cardigan over a dress or a shirt. 7. Invest in a good bag. A good bag can elevate your look. Choose a bag that is stylish and functional. 8. Invest in a good watch. A good watch can add a touch of sophistication to your look. 9. Get your clothes tailored. Tailoring your clothes can make them look more polished and professional. 10. Have fun with your look. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and colors. Have fun with your look and express your personality. Now that you know these 10 fashion tips, you can create a polished and professional look. Remember, quality pieces, neutral colors, the right fit, and accessories can all help you create a look that is both stylish and professional. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You'll get 2 videos every day for free.